Today, I'm swapping out this old Motolite for a brand new ACDelco battery. I've heard great things about ACDelco's quality, so I'm excited to see how this one performs in my car. The old battery I'm replacing is a Motolite Gold DIN44, which lasted me from September 2019 all the way to March 2025. Now I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on a Ford Focus Mark II. The only tool we need is 10mm socket. First, let's remove the terminal cover and top cover from the battery compartment. Next, we'll disconnect the positive terminal. Then we'll take off the side cover to have access. After that, let's remove the bracket holding the battery in place. Now we can disconnect the negative terminal. And finally, we can carefully lift out the old battery. Okay, time to install the new battery. We'll pretty much follow the same steps in reverse. Remember to connect the negative terminal first. After that, we'll put the battery bracket back in place. Then attach the side cover. Lastly, plug in the positive terminal and you're good to go. So this is the ACDelco SIN43, which is the same standard battery size as a DIN44. I installed it on April 25, 2025. We're now in June, and after more than a month and a half, it's still performing well. You know, I've noticed this ACDelco battery is surprisingly compact. It leaves a good amount of space, definitely more compact and a tad smaller than my previous Motolite. So this is the full specification of this battery. Hopefully, this one will give me a good long run just like my old Motolite did. So that's how you replace the battery on a Ford Focus Mark II. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.